From that teaching in the temple to his triumphant entry into Jerusalem and his final unjustifiable arrest, Jesus was routinely placed in difficult, often devious situations in which he was always triumphant. Victories for which we have no explanation except his divine DNA. Yet, down through history, many have simplified, even trivialized our image of him and his witness of who he was. They've reduced his righteousness to mere prudishness, his mercy to mere permissiveness. We must not be guilty of such simplistic versions